Hey you guys, long time no see. Anyway, want to get this look, keep watching. Mwah. Alright, so here's the wig. It's a 20-inch lace frontal wig from my relationship collection. I'm just showing you guys the inside, what we're working with. So, yeah. This is my holy grail. This is everything. Developer is so important. So I just go in with the 30 volume developer that you could get from Sally's because that's safe for me and I don't really have 40 on hand. I use that one for everything. So basically you just drown the entire wig in that same developer. That's it. That's the secret. That's the trick. And actually, shout out to Debbie Styles on Instagram because she put me on. I seen that she did it with 40 developer. Like I said, I didn't have it. So I said, okay, let me try with 30 developer because I do use a lot of brown bases for, well, just brown wigs, or especially when I'm doing highlights, I need a brown base and I'm always trying to find the perfect dye to get the perfect brown, and it's annoying and it's expensive, and we always have developer right here. So I was so geeked when I seen her do it. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna record it. If it's a flop, it's a flop, but it wasn't. So here we are. So yeah, this is her after we washed and air dried it. You can't see too much right here, but you'll see later in how you did in the beginning. It got a nice little brown to it. I was happy. Did exactly what I needed it to do. So here I'm using my tweezers from my Funka Beauty lace toolkit. This is a ready to ship unit, so I typically don't like to pluck too much when I'm not the one installing it, so I just do it lightly, but I know the look I'm going for, so I wanted to just give a light pluck all around. You guys, if you ever want to get a good look at your plucking, if you're plucking dry, just use the hot comb. That's what I like to use to make it look really, really sleek. Just helps me know what I'm doing. And when I'm done with this, I'm going to get right into curling. I'm showing a quick little tutorial, not too in-depth, but like just the basics. And yeah, I just tilt her. And what I do is part down the middle because they're parted in two different directions. So I separate one side off. And then what I'll do is take a panel and I'll go horizontal, vertically. I'll go vertically and I'll take vertical sections and I'll curl up and down, and you guys will see me do that. And you guys will see my curling iron is a Babyless, the blue one. I don't know what else it's called. So I'm gonna try my best to explain this. I'm more visual, but I'm gonna work with y'all. So I've taken a section. Usually if I take a vertical section, it's like 4 curls. So what I do is I start at the root, I clamp it in, and I'm curling over. So I put it in, I feed it in, I roll it back up. I feed some more hair in, then I roll it back up. So hard to explain. Feed it in, roll it back up. Feed it in, roll it back up until like there's almost no hair left. And then you just hold it there. That's all. So I'm gonna stop talking. Maybe watching will be better for you guys. So here I wanted you guys to see, usually you curl away from the face, but the front, because it's the side part, I wanted it to curl towards the face, so when I comb it out, you guys will see when I'm done, it gives a sultry vibe, so it's pushed back and forward at the same time into the face. So I let it set, let it cool down, but it gives a really nice look. That's a tip that I like to share. Yay, now that we're done curling, I'm gonna show you guys what the curls look like. I didn't layer the hair because I don't know the client's preferences. That's the big sexy hair. You lightly spritz the hair because it's very strong, but we do want the form to last. So all I do next after I sprayed it, I'm gonna just brush it out because I don't want the ringlets. I just want volume basically. So I just brush it out, brush it back and low-key up, and you see the back, how fluffy it looks, and I didn't even layer it. So here she goes on Zara, who has makeup issues right now, but ignore, but it's giving. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you for dealing with me. Love you guys.